Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monli Saurambai bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe.
Coming up next, Salesian News Asia Pacific. Hello folks, glad to have you join us for the 88th episode of Salesian News Asia Pacific. I'm your host RJ Brian of Radio Salesian 90.8 FM, the voice of the hills, the first community radio of Don Bosco Asia since 2016. This show is brought to you by Bible Diary 2022 from Don Bosco Publishing Hyderabad and Church Art Kolkata. Assam, Thanksgiving Eucharist, Centenary Anthem, book release, blood donation camp, mark launch of year-long centenary celebrations. Father Johnny Parankimalil reports from Guwahati.
The year-long centenary celebrations of Don Bosco in Northeast India began on 12th January 2022 at Guwahati with the hoisting of the centenary flag by the chief guest, Archbishop John Molachira of Guwahati, at a solemn function held at Don Bosco Provincial House. It was followed by Thanksgiving Eucharist, Centenary Anthem presentation, book release, and blood donation camp by past peoples. A book on the memoirs of one of the first 11 missionaries, Brother Gumar Sindho Sit Losada, edited by Father Kuriala Chettatukulam, was released. Other regions under Guwahati province, namely Garo Hills in Meghalaya, Bodoland, Karbi Anglong in Assam Plains, and Kamrup in Lower Assam, also organized centenary inaugural celebrations. Here is the centenary anthem performed by Don Bosco Institute of Management students.
Salesians into this land of Nordic. We are now of what we did 100 years ago. Let's celebrate together, celebrate with love this great centenary. Let's celebrate together, celebrate with love this great centenary. Ooh, this great centenary.
Don Bosco Publishing House Hyderabad presents Word With Us, Bible Diary 2022. Available in both popular and royal editions. Besides scripture readings for daily Eucharist, the diary contains liturgical information, insights from saint of the day, short and relevant reflections, prayers of the faithful for Sundays and solemnities. Ideal Christmas gift for family and friends. Order from sales@dbpublishinghouse.com or WhatsApp country code 91, mobile number 9390257614. English language publishers of Salesianity books increase in Asia Pacific region. Director of Christu Jyoti Publication, Father CV reports from Bangalore.
Christu Jyoti Publications, belonging to the Salesian province of Bangalore, offers two new titles of Salesian publications that are not yet well known in Asia Pacific region. The first title is on Martyrs in China by Guido Bossio, and the second book is entitled Salesian Sources, Don Bosco and His Work by Salesian Historical Institute. Please check the website kjcpublications.org for 35 other Salesian family related titles. There are also other Salesian publications in English language with the following provinces: Salesian publishers, Manila, Great Britain, Vietnam, Korea, Japan, and China, Hong Kong.
Church Art Kolkata has a series of popular murals illustrating life and activities of Jesus Christ and saints. The 36 inches by 40 inches murals feature major life events and miracles of Jesus like healing paralytic, raising the dead, and curing the blind. Other popular murals include Jesus blessing children and mothers bringing children to Jesus. Larger versions of these murals are also available. These murals are ideal for churches, educational institutions, hospitals, and social work establishments. For affordable prices and hassle-free professional service, contact Don Bosco Past Pupil by email churchart.ganguli@gmail.com and WhatsApp/Telegram country code 919831020945. Manipur, Don Bosco College holds a street play on Youth in Motion for Climate Action. Reported by Mr. John Brito from Maram.
Don Bosco College, Autonomous Maram, under the leadership of HOD, Chemistry Department, Sister Bindu Thomas, in collaboration with Jesus Youth members of the college, conducted a street play on 17th January 2022. The theme of the street play was Youth in Motion for Climate Action. The street play was performed at various sites of Maram Center and Maram Bazaar. The play was carried out to create awareness among locals on saving water, afforestation, and restoring the endangered of the region, which are at the risk of mass extinction.
You are listening to Salesian News on Radio Salesian from Salesian College, Sonada, Darjeeling. Animation Center celebrates 25 years of Youth Outreach Mission. Father Yeramenini Bali reports from Hyderabad.
Bosco Institute of Research and Development for Youth, Birdie, celebrated its 25 years of accompaniment with the young in the province of Hyderabad on January 15, 2022. The journey with young began on 23rd June 1996 in the presence of Regional Councillor late Father Thomas Panakaram and the founder director of Birdie, Father Joe Arimpur. Birdie, in the past, has reached out to the youth, especially the marginalized and the poor, through various animation and outreach programs. It has reached out also to youth workers and educators, assisting them with training programs to enhance the quality of their service to the youth.
Students take pledge to abstain from alcohol and drugs. Program coordinator Mr. Mithun reports from Chennai.
Awareness on alcoholic addiction and drug abuse among youth was held as a webinar on 16th January 2022. It was part of Nasha Mukt Samaj Abhiyan Andolan campaign hosted by the Central University of Haryana and Salesian Institute of Graphic Arts, Sika Polytechnic College. The Honorable Minister of State for Housing and Urban Affairs, Government of India, Sri Kaushal Kishore, was the chief guest of the program. The participating students took an oath administered by the Minister to abstain from drugs and alcohol. SIGA commits not only in skilling India in the field of printing and packaging technology, but nurturing students to be good humans and good citizens. Nasha Mukt Bharat Abhiyan NMBA was formulated and launched by the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, which is the nodal ministry for drug demand reduction, on 15th August 2020 in 272 districts across 32 state union territories.
Those are the latest from Salesian News Asia Pacific. This show was brought to you by Bible Diary 2022 from Don Bosco Publishing, Hyderabad, and Church Art Kolkata. Enjoy the rest of your day.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.